Alright guys, today we have a 2014 Acura RDX. We're gonna replace this battery right here. Alright, this battery is almost 7 years old, so we're gonna change this battery out and we're gonna put a new AC Delco battery. To remove this battery, you're gonna remove the number 10 here and the number 10 on the bracket here. And once you have that, this plate is gonna come off. Then the jacket around the battery is gonna come off, and we're gonna remove positive and then negative, right? Be careful with this side, it has a little sensor on it. Do not remove the sensor. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let the car run first, right? We're gonna do it while the car is running. So we're gonna remove that, and then we're gonna remove this. Once we have these, you're gonna just loosen this, and then the hook should come off on the bottom. Let's take a look at this hook. This is the hook. You see the hooks on this? So that comes out. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna loosen this one up, and then we're gonna loosen that one up. Alright, so we got both of these loose. This should come off. Take the positive, negative, put it to the side, and the positive. Make sure nothing is touching. Make sure no metal, cannot touch the metal. Right, and take off this little bracket, this jacket. That's what I call a jacket. And once you have that out, you should be able to lift the battery out. Alright, there you go. We have the battery out. Now we'll take the new battery. Make sure the positive is on the positive side and the negative is on the negative side. Put the cover back on. Alright, once the cover is back on, make sure you clean these terminals. So we'll take a wire brush and we'll clean these two. It's over there. Just brush them down a little bit. Easy. Make sure the battery is nice and flush. The terminal is nice and flush. Tighten it pretty good, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. This one looks pretty clean, but we'll brush it down a little bit anyway. The reason why we did it with the car running is because these cars, you need to keep the memory alive, right? There's two different ways. One is either you could plug something in the serial light outlet or let the car run, right? I like it doing it this way. I've been doing it for years. Never had any problem. So we'll tighten that number 10 there. That's it. And now we need to put the bracket in. That's the battery holder. Alright, so this is nice and tight. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna put this battery holder down. This is very important. You don't put this, the battery is gonna move around. Alright, with this, all you need to do is you need to grab those hooks. Just like that one. And you can tighten this a little bit. And then do the same thing on this side. Alright, so we're gonna tighten the bracket on this side. And that's it. That's how you replace a battery on a 2014 Acura RDX. And what we'll do is we'll spray this down a little bit, both of these terminals. We're gonna spray with a battery protector, terminal protector. It's always a good idea to put a little bit of grease on these. That's it. Same thing on the other side. Go ahead. Alright, there we have it. New battery on a 2014 Acura RDX.